PLUG stock analysis Thursday, more so Wednesday. I'm covering whether I'm buying or not in this 1 minute video. And who am I to speak here? Well, having done 40,000 videos over 5 years, documented them all, and actually showing you what's working for me and what's not. I've seen what's I've seen it, you know. I've definitely documented the data as well. And unironically, plug power starting to pick up eventually. Notice how the only thing that would have made me sell is a double break, a decent double break. And since we freaking didn't get that double break with a full candle close, no sells got taken, because the last 3 trades have all been sell side predictions ranging from like 155 when it was at the time there. And here's the proof of that. Right, 2 months ago when this video was made, and since then now we're here. And I can tell you one thing, and that one thing is that I'm not going to retire from this sell side, especially now when, you know, it's kind of went down and whatnot. But for me to really be bearish, the confirmation and that distribution part must happen. And if this red part does not quite happen, I'm not going to sell. You know, people like to overcomplicate stuff, but I would rather stick to the basic because this is what has worked. So 3 sells, 2 wins, 1 break even. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description. Get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.